The gross GST revenue collection, including settlement for the financial year 2020 and 21 in Jammu and Kashmir, stood at Rs 4,890.35 crore. This is as against Rs 4,750.60 crore in the previous year, registering a growth of 2.94%. In Punjab, after the Supreme Court order, preparations are underway to bring back jailed BSP MLA from Mau and strongman Mukhtar Ansari to Uttar Pradesh. Ansari can be brought to Banda jail on any day before 8 April. As many as 24 Jawans were martyred and 31 sustained injuries in the encounter with Naxals in Chhattisgarh on Saturday. Security forces have launched an operation along the Sukma-Bijapur border, where an intense face-off resulted in the death of 24 Jawans. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Friday admitted that the fourth wave of COVID-19 pandemic was raging in the capital, but did not impose a lockdown or any curbs to control the spike. Fresh waves in several parts of India and the world have been worse than the previous surges, with mutating variants of the virus proving to be a bigger threat than the initial ballooning of the pandemic. Rajasthan on Thursday kicked off its cashless Mediclaim scheme worth Rs 5 lakh for each family of the state, starting the registration for its Chiranjeevi health insurance scheme. With the start of the registration of people under the scheme, announced by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in the State Budget 2021-22, Rajasthan has become the first state in the country to provide health insurance to all its residents. Under the scheme, each family of the state will get an annual health insurance cover of Rs 5 lakh. The Gujarat Assembly has passed a bill to amend the Dharma Swatantra Freedom of Religious Act 2003, which aims to combat forceful religious conversion, better known as Love Jihad, on the concluding day of the ongoing budget session on Thursday. The offence of such religious conversion through marriage shall be considered cognizable and non-bailable and shall be investigated by an official above the rank of DSP. Odisha government, led by Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, on Sunday received the prestigious Sports Star Aces Award, Best State of the Decade for the promotion of sports. The month-long campaign for Kerala Assembly Election 2021, slated for April 6, draws to a close on Sunday evening. The last days witnessed some aggressive campaigning by Gandhi sibling Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Going to the east, in West Bengal, Nandigram failed to shrug off violence despite adoption of unprecedented measures by Election Commission to maintain peace for free and fair election. Polling for the first two phases of the West Bengal polls was held on March 27 and April 1 respectively. The next phase of the polling will take place on April 6. The counting of votes will take place on May 2. In Maharashtra, authorities decided to promote the student from class 1 to class 8 to next class without any examination to all state board schools. The cases in the state of Maharashtra have been on rise since the second week of February. Several districts have announced stringent lockdowns and curfews to prevent the COVID-19 virus surge. In Mizoram, Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Thursday said that he is sending a delegation to the national capital to request the central government to change India's foreign policy on Myanmar and not send the refugees back. This comes days after the Ministry of Home Affairs asked 4 northeastern states, including Mizoram, to take appropriate action to prevent a possible influx of people from coup-hit Myanmar into the country.